America. We have entered the fairgrounds. Now the fun begins.
Yeah, I seen that yesterday. You guys were flying out of those promotions. I know you were.
And we got Clarence here. Holy smokes. Guys, check him out for sure. Great guy. Great content.
My camera was always running, by the way.
My camera was not running. We had to redo that. I got a couple different takes that I had to do over because everyone's got their camera out and I just wasn't ready.
I got the back of SendIt Steve's hand.
Yeah. He's back here recording my ear.
It's a wonderful ear.
Yeah. And then we have this exoskeleton C5, it looks like. Just blew a tire.
You want to film for Mike? Looks like an LS3 maybe. Oh, here we go. Finally. Got some noise with it. Here we go.
SendIt Steve right here.
His shirt says, "Hey buddy," so, hey buddy, how you doing, man? Good, what do you got here, man? We got no problem, just a regular Corvette, let's do it. Don't think this is a regular Corvette, Mike. Stop. Oh, okay, the big tires on the front, the big fat ones on the back. Stop, okay, what's your plan here with this burnout? Well, I'm not going to live up to that, I can tell you that drive home. But I'll try to make something good. That's all right, man, we have tire vendors here, we have exhaust vendors here.
You have a motor vendor here.
I wouldn't get tips from the people at Corvette America about burnout. They'll tell you a bunch. That's all right, man. All right. I think this thing's gonna have a little bit of a fun sound to it, and put the seatbelt on for safety. You're not gonna use the canister back there for any reason, right? Little nitrous canister in the background. Yeah, it's completely stock. First race sitting over here.
I'm excited, guys, because I actually did the work to this car except for the last little bit of wiring, which Andy did. So we're gonna watch this and have
I'm not going any farther.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely.
Race burnout over here, but who thinks Mike should go to King of the Hill? What about Ray?
I feel like I put on a good show.
That was pretty cool, I won't lie.
Oh my, it's everywhere.
Yeah.
And now you got
We got slow restorations here. It's a regular old YouTube convention.
I was driving back and I was like, the ride kind of feels
There's no
like
flat
rough.
tires yet, though.
I wonder
No.
why.
Shoot, man. Look at them rocks.
I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you.
Grandpa did good.
That was about as cool as I could do it without actually blowing a tire.
Yeah, definitely.
still smoke out the window.
7 speed.
Definitely they will.
Yeah, we probably will.
Cause that's sketchy Steve for you. You get it. It isn't SendIt Steve if it's not sketchy. So
Sketchy Steve and Street Queen.
Street Queen 717.
Grandma.
Yep. I said Street King 717 at first, and I was like,
Street Queen.
yeah, and then I was like, well, my friend put on Street King like 2606 or something like that.
Gamer number.
No, for his well, guys, it is Street Savages on here, and we got Sig on the Speed 252 Spy Raider. We got another 06. We have a 06. Got a Grand Sport. Got a nasty wrapped. This thing is awesome looking. I didn't mean nasty in a bad way. It actually looks awesome. I asked for Chad. Got this thing. It's actually pretty cool looking. Got the nasty twin turbo C5. Well, guys, we just realized that that is an American flag and Corvettes. Like, that is awesome. Got the yellow C606. Looks like a base model. C6. My dad's staying after taking some pictures. Awesome. Well, guys, of course, it's Street Savages back on here again. Got a C4 ZR1, I think this is. It says it right there. Street Speed. We haven't talked to him really, so I'm not sure. But I am sure that he will be here today. So we're walking up. We're gonna show you guys some stuff up here. So it's pretty cool.
Guys, I was that guy. I like just about ran out of gas on the way in here, and I pulled into a diesel pump, and then of course a diesel truck pulls in behind me. So it's like, man, I'm officially that guy. Unbelievable. Let's get moved forward. Now this is a true definition of a street car. Now obviously we are twin turbo. As you can see, we got a row of traffic up and behind us as well, and she's just running cool here at 201. Between 199 and 201, she's just living her life. So I'd say she is a true street car, guys. A bunch of people say that it's too radical and that she's definitely not a street car, but she is definitely a street car. I drive her every day and we enjoy her every single day. Now, I know some of you guys are wondering, did you get the pumps done and everything like that? I have not gotten the pumps in the car yet. We are working on that, and we should have them in by the end of the weekend, get back on the dyno. I'm hoping for Sunday. Now, I was talking to Andrew from CSP and everybody like that, so who knows, we might be able to get it on the dyno on Sunday, but we won't know. If you guys just heard that, that is Slow Restorations there. Definitely check out his channel. He's a pretty cool guy. He came the whole way up from almost like Maryland area to hang out for the day. So beautiful Krypton green Camaro SS. He's got a bunch of stuff done to it too. Check out his channel, Heads, Texas Speed, cam and everything like that. amazing time today at the show, guys. It was definitely fun. I enjoyed it. This is why I do this, guys, to meet everybody and have fun and everything like that. So I really appreciate everyone's support and everyone stopping out and taking the time to say hi and everything. And, you know, it means the world to me, guys. So with that being said, guys, if you like the content, I know today was just kind of like a jump around video and things like that with being at Corvette'S Carlisle, but if you like the content, smash that like button, please subscribe, and we will see you guys in the next upload. So here, I bring Austin up to the event. I tell him to come out, have some fun. And I said, all right, bud, you ready to go? He said, no. I'm riding with Clarence.
I rode in the car on the way there. Now I said, I want to ride with Clarence on the way back.
And why?
Air conditioning.
Because he has air conditioning. See, guys, I literally just made that little bit of a video saying how I wish I didn't delete the air conditioning. And then this little guy comes over and says, you don't have air conditioning. I'm going to ride in Clarence's car.
And Clarence has internet in his car.
He has internet and everything. By the way, guys, if you are not following Clarence, follow him. It's C Gardner Speed 252 on YouTube. Great guy. Also, I already did the shout out. He's here too. We're gonna all go get some dinner. So again, guys, thanks for watching.